My sexy voice is your ringtone. Okay, but I have to be saying something sexy or hold on. Okay, hold on.
Hello. Your phone is ringing. This is my sexy voice telling you to pick up your sexy phone because someone is calling you and they want to hear your sexy voice. Or maybe it's not that sexy, but your phone is ringing right now and I'm using my sexy voice to tell you that it's ringing at this very moment. So you might want to pick up your phone. Ring-a-ling-a-ling.
There you go. Moshi moshi. There you go. You can use that, my sexy voice, as your ringtone. My roommate just...
I'm running through the meadow. Flowers that speak